All right, hi Matthew, how are you today?
Good.
So what's your name?
Matthew.
Oh, we already talked about that, didn't we? I called you Matthew, didn't
Yes.
I? Okay, all right. How old are you? 6.5, huh? Oh, okay. And then, what grade are you in? First grade. And who's your teacher? Miss Morrison. All right. Over at what school are you at? Heartland Elementary School. Okay, so we were doing a math problem together, and I think what you were doing was 200 plus 200. Is that the one we were talking about?
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, first of all, what's the answer?
400.
It is 400. Now, can you explain to me how you got 400?
Because 2 and 2 make 4,
2 plus 2 is 4, right?
and 20 plus 20 is 40.
Okay.
So 200 plus 200 will equal 400.
There you go. So you make use of patterns when you solve your math problems. Okay, so let's try something else as well. How about let's do another addition problem here. How about if we end up doing um, 7 plus 8? All right, can you talk me through how you do 7 plus 8?
I take away 3 to add it with the 7
Okay, so
to make 10.
so what's so big about that? Why do you do that?
So, because on we have we have 7,
Right?
but 8 has 3 on the other finger side. So
Okay.
we take that 3 to add it with the 7 to
What's so
make it
special
10.
about 3 though? Why 3?
Because 7 and 3 are friends with 10.
Oh,
So,
friends with 10. That's important to get to that 10 that's there. I like that. Friends with 10. Okay. All right, so let's go back there again. Keep going. Keep talking to me here about 7 plus 8.
um, so we have 10,
We
right?
do. Yes.
So, and we still have 5 more.
Right,
So
because we
that would
did
equal
take the 3
15.
away. There we go. Love it. That's 15. All right. Nice job, Matthew. I like what you've done
So
there.
that's how you write your phone.
It's kind of messy there, isn't it? All right, should I try to do a little bit better here, maybe? How about something more like that? Is that better? All right, thanks.